Okay, so great. It's nice to meet you. I have listened to your voice note. My intern sent,
Huh.
Onkar sent me, and I've listened to it so many times. Let me tell you,
Oh.
seriously. So thank you so much for that. First of all,
Actually, I
yeah,
should thank you people for this. Actually, I started from zero, and you people only guided me to crack this exam. So I should thank you first.
thank you so much.
I
Thank you so
started
much.
from the
Yeah.
scratch. Basically, I started from the scratch. Your guidance and you actually upload like previous year question papers on a daily basis. So
Yeah.
that helped me a lot. And
Glad, glad, glad.
your notes, they are amazing. And even I have made notes out of your notes, and
Okay,
I've
okay,
been
okay.
yeah, I've been keeping on revising them. Like, it's
Even I was
amazing.
talking to one of the other person who has also cleared UGNet recently in
Haha.
his second attempt. So he also said that he said the same thing that he also made notes, the
Oh, okay.
hypnosis notes, and it actually helped him clearing the
Yes,
exam. Yeah,
definitely.
yeah. So I
Haha.
am saying the same thing to you. Like if you have prepared notes, I would love if you can provide me a scan copy of it so that other students
Oh,
can also take help from that. It will
okay.
be yeah,
I'm
yeah.
happy to do it.
Yeah. So we are meeting for the first time, right? So I would love to introduce
Yeah.
myself as you're not aware of it. You have I
Yeah.
guess talked to my intern the Onkar, which
Yes, yes.
uh,
Once.
to whom you have sent your also the voice note, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So basically, I am Khushi Chitra Singhal. I founded
Oh,
Particle and Solution, and also I'm the
okay.
editor in chief in that
Oh,
particularly.
I see.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So tell me
You're
about.
doing a great job. You're doing a great job.
Thank you so
Like
much. Yeah,
I didn't had any resources. Like I didn't had like economic resources to spend
yeah.
for UGC coaching. So I don't know. I don't know how to thank you.
No, no, it's fine. It's totally fine.
I shared your page with almost all my friends, and they are actually I'm pushing them to join your page too.
Thank you so much. It actually means a lot. Actually, what we are not doing marketing to be honest too much. Okay, we are
Okay.
always getting the traction on the website
Yeah.
through word of mouth as well. Word of mouth, mostly word of
Yeah.
mouth. Yeah, because I'm really glad
हाँ
because when I started Portugal and Solution, मेरा aim ही ये था यार कि मेरे को institute नहीं बनना. I don't want to be start a
हाँ
education या coaching institute. I want to create a
yeah
platform which can actually help people and build a community around
yeah
that. So I am
yeah
really glad that it is actually helping
yeah.
people. Yeah, that's it.
Mm-hmm.
So I would love to
It's
know.
it's online. That's the main thing. I'm from Kerala.
Okay.
So you're from Delhi. It's like three
Yeah,
thousand kilometers away,
definitely,
and
definitely.
you're providing me with all the notes. And if you had a physical institution, then
Yeah,
person like me would never ever know about it. I would never ever like make use of your resources and your guidance.
yeah.
So online, that's the best thing that the best feature that political science solutions have.
Even I
So
wanted to go on Google particularly because now the people are from
mhm.
different languages, like from different regions.
Ah,
They need
hmm.
those resources like in Hindi. Some people read it in Tamil using Google translations. So it is always
Okay.
helpful for them. So like
Oh,
you
oh,
cannot
oh.
do it in on YouTube.
Hmm,
Okay, you
hmm,
cannot
hmm, yeah.
translate that, but on website you can translate that using Google.
Translate.
So
Yes, yes.
whenever someone says that I am reading in Tamil or Kannada, so it always makes me
Oh,
happy. Ki, oh wow, people are also listening in that way as well.
yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, notes are so amazing. Like I'm
thank you.
also you preparing for UPSC, and I have PSIR as my
Okay, okay,
optional.
okay.
So I can also make use of that notes for my
Yeah, sure,
PSIR
sure, sure, sure,
preparation too.
sure, sure,
So
sure.
it's like it's a dhamaka for me. I can
Glad.
use it. I used it for you for preparing that, and I'm also doing my post graduation.
Okay,
So I'm in the second year, the final year. So I'm
okay.
also using your notes for my college studies too.
Great, great, yeah, great, yeah.
Yeah.
Like
Yes.
one stop solution for everything. That what
Yeah, one
my
solution for everything.
that was my motive to start podcast and solution. So give me a little bit background of yours. Like I know you that you are from Kerala, Trivandrum, right?
Yeah.
So like
Yeah.
give me a
Yeah.
whole idea like why political science, why UGC net, and from where you are particularly. So yeah,
I'm coming from the capital city of Kerala, Trivandrum,
okay,
and I have done my graduation in political science. So
okay,
I've passed in 2021. So then I went to Delhi for
okay,
UPSC preparation.
okay,
I resided in Lakshmi Nagar.
okay, okay,
Like
okay, okay.
I was
For
there
how
for
much time?
1.5 years.
For 1.5 years. Okay, So you
Yeah,
completed
one
your
of
whole coaching of UPSC from Delhi only.
Delhi only.
Wow. Okay,
Yeah.
that's great.
Yeah, then after one and a half years of preparation, I gave my first attempt in
Okay, okay,
2023,
okay,
and
okay,
it was
okay,
a
okay,
flop show. It was
okay,
basically a flop show.
okay,
So
okay.
I thought, I was like completely depressed. So I thought I need a second plan, like a plan B. So I thought of doing my master's. Then I joined the same college that
Okay,
I
okay.
did my graduation.
From
So
Kerala only, right?
from Kerala
Yeah,
only,
okay, okay,
yeah, yeah,
great.
in
Okay,
University College.
okay,
It
okay,
is in
okay,
Trivandrum only. It's a
okay, okay,
government college, and
okay.
yeah,
What is the name of it?
uh,
What is the name of it, if I know? Okay,
University College,
okay,
Palayam.
okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay, okay, okay.
it's like it has a legacy of 150 years.
Wow,
It is the
that's really
oldest
great.
college in Kerala. Yeah,
Wow,
oldest
that
college in
that
Kerala.
must be really great having being there. I guess professors भी
Yeah,
काफी वहाँ के वो intellectual and काफी अच्छे खासे prestigious होंगे. Where it's
yes,
150 years
yes.
old. Great, great, great,
Yeah.
great, great, great.
So yeah, well, then I decided do then I decided I'll do my masters. So my teachers were saying you have to give this UGC net exam. So
Okay,
one of my friend, she was doing in political science only. She's doing masters in Central University of Gujarat, and
okay.
she told me that there is an exam called UGC net. If you crack this exam, you can be an assistant professor, and yeah, something like that. Then I had a very vague idea basically. So then I decided I have to give this UGC exam, and I have to prepare it very well before I give the first attempt,
Okay.
because I know I had this experience of UPSC. Like in the first attempt, I got
Yeah.
shattered. So I thought in the first attempt I have to crack this exam. So what I did was I was constantly searching for some pages and websites, and fortunately I came across with your page.
Glad, 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 glad,
Yeah,
glad.
you know, the first few thinkers, political
Yeah.
thinkers, they are given free. You can
Yeah,
just
yeah.
read.
We
Yeah,
actually made it accessible to people so that they can go through the content, they can
yeah,
go through the efficiency, and then see PYQs if they are able to solve these questions or not. Because
yeah.
that
Oh,
will help on to understand the quality and if they want to go ahead with subscription or not.
yes.
So that was the
Yes,
motive with that.
that got
Yeah,
me.
yeah.
That free content got me. Like I was reading the whole thing, and like it was just I read, you know, most of the Opegoba. So
Okay, yeah.
it was like it was those content was having the same standard of this Opegoba. So
Yeah,
it was covering, like it just the holistically
yeah.
it covers the whole topic. So I thought I'll give a try. Then I joined the 6 months course.
Yeah.
Then I officially started my
We actually
UGC
tried to
preparation.
they add you in the WhatsApp group as well, but we did not have your number, which was not, I guess it was
Okay.
WhatsApp accessible. So I make sure that you share with Onkar, okay, that we can add you there as
Okay.
well. Because I always make
Okay.
sure that
Okay.
I connect with the people who are subscribing to
Mhm.
it, so that one-to-one
Okay.
guidance which will be always helpful to them. Because
Ha ha.
sometimes content is not enough. People need how to navigate the whole process to clear that
Yeah.
exam.
Hmm.
So I would love
Yeah.
to, okay, know you in that way, okay? So please make sure you share the number. That's it.
Yeah. Of course. Of
That's
course.
all.
Then your previous year question, like the you shared almost all
Yeah.
the previous year
Yeah.
questions in the group,
Yeah.
and that helped me a lot. And after writing all my notes, I keep on adding things, like the
Okay. Yeah.
new concepts I get from the previous year question paper.
Great, great,
That
great, great, great.
Yeah, that's how I like that's how that navigated me throughout.
Actually, this is the same thing I did while I was preparing for UGCNet. Actually, that
Oh,
I
I see.
solved so many PYQs and mock tests and
Hmm.
whatever the new information I was getting, I was keeping it
Haha.
writing down in my copy. And so when I
Ha.
decided to build up a platform like Podcast and Solution, I used everything I had
Okay.
with me.
Haha.
So that's how it became very
Nice.
holistic in nature. That from different
Okay.
sources, I have used like YouTube, whatever resources are available, the EduSeeker,
Mm-hmm.
Size, IGNU Notes, books,
Ha.
OPGABA and all. I used everything for my preparation and then made my notes. And then I tried to
Okay.
form content around that and build partisan solution. So that was the thing.
You actually made our preparation very simple.
I'm glad.
Like
I'm
you,
glad. Yeah. So yeah.
so thankful.
So like adding to that, like cutoff is getting very high right now,
Yeah.
234 out of
Yeah.
300. I guess it is the highest. It is the
Yes.
highest. Even
Hmm.
in all subjects, if we compare,
Yeah.
सबसे
Hmm.
highest जा रहा है. So people find it difficult to cover paper one particularly. because you
Huh.
have to keep up with that if you want to
Yeah,
clear
yeah.
JRF, right?
Yes,
So how did you
yes.
navigate that?
For paper one, I have also made a separate note for paper one. I have made a separate note like this, and I keep on revising it. What I did was I gone through the syllabus. I actually studied the whole syllabus. That was my first task. I studied the whole syllabus and I identified how the questions can be formed from a particular concept. For that,
Okay.
I uh, I gone through some videos in the YouTube where
Okay.
like which have this previous year question papers for paper one, and I saw some of the videos and I understood that okay, these are the areas that you should focus. So there are some few units in paper one, namely the teaching aptitude, research, then there's logical
Computer.
reasoning,
Computer is also
yeah,
there.
computer, ICT, yeah, communication.
Yeah.
These are the main area which the UGC likes, and they frequently ask questions from these units. So I identify that. So I uh, actually studied only those units.
Okay, okay,
I
okay, okay.
skipped whole maths.
Okay,
I
okay, okay.
skipped whole maths.
Acha,
So I'm
tell me,
weak in maths.
tell me what resources particularly you use to complete these units or these topics. Like what platforms on YouTube? You can name them.
Okay. There is a page called Inculcate Learning. It is
Inculcate.
in,
Okay.
yeah, Inculcate Learning from Ravina ma'am.
Okay.
I used her videos. Then Physics Wala, they also have a
Okay.
YouTube page dedicated for UGC Net, and I've also used their videos and made note out of all the
Okay. For
topics.
paper one, right? Because
Paper
people
one.
ask me to go through books because I prefer that books are very bulky for paper one. You shouldn't
Yes.
devote that much time to paper one. Just more
Mm-hmm.
focus more on political science part because
Paper
paper
two,
one
yeah.
can be done using YouTube. It's not that
Yeah.
difficult. If you are even giving now
Yeah.
1 month properly to paper one, you can easily clear that.
Easily, yes.
You can, yeah, I guess 60 to 70 marks is very good for paper one.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Focus
Haha.
always more on paper two. That's it. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So like as you said that you yeah you started from the zero, right?
Yes.
Let's get back to that. Like how much time did you take to prepare the whole syllabus? How much time did you use?
uh, for the like the for two papers, I've
For
take almost like it took about
months,
months.
months
Yeah,
proper to
four to
complete the
five
whole
months.
syllabus. And
Yes,
while you
not the whole syllabus.
okay, okay.
I complete the paper one.
Okay,
So.
okay. If you have to like provide me a proper idea, like if someone is starting from the zero only, they have no idea
Mhm.
about net, about how to navigate the whole process, the preparation. So what do
Hmm.
you think like कितना time लगेगा उनको complete करने में to cover the whole syllabus while also revising and practicing them so that they can sit for the exam
I
confidently.
Mhm. I think they can take almost 6 months.
6 months.
Yeah, 6 months. If you are a like I'm a graduate graduate in political science, so I know the idea of paper
Okay.
two, and so ये हो पाएगा. Like
है ना?
it can
Yeah.
be done.
Yeah.
It can be done
Because
in
yeah, because I listen when people told when people have told me that they are trying for what 2 to 3 years are still not able to clear that.
okay.
I sometimes don't understand why. I guess maybe resources are not in that way available to them
Hmm.
because political
Mm-hmm.
science is already a vast subject. It's a very vast subject.
Yeah.
It is not easy to cover that, and there are so many resources that often confuses people. So if you
Yeah.
have the right
Mm-hmm.
guidance and side content and practicing and revising, I guess it helps a lot, right?
Yes.
So these are things people should focus upon while they are preparing. Just covering
Yeah.
the
Mm-hmm.
syllabus from YouTube or from any coaching would not be enough.
Yes.
Would not be enough. That I've realized while
Yeah.
also I was preparing for my
Self
yeah
study is the
exam.
key. Self study is the key.
Yeah, definitely.
So yeah, almost 6 months. Then you have to understand the syllabus first. Then do the previous year, identify the important topics, and start.
Okay, okay, okay. So did you also give
Yeah.
mock test? Did you also give mock test,
Uh,
section test?
no, no, just the previous. No, 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 just
Just
the
previous.
previous years.
Okay, so
Yeah.
were you solving questions on Telegram groups as well, or not
Yeah.
that much?
Yes, yes. Yeah, I used to do that.
Okay,
They are
okay.
only they are not mock tests. They are previous year
Yes.
text.
Yeah, yeah. They are PYQs.
That's all.
Yeah, they are
Yeah.
PYQs. Okay, okay. Great, great, great. Yeah. So, like, what are the challenges you particularly face while preparing? Like, people should not
Hmm.
focus on that thing, or should not make those mistakes particularly, because people often do that.
Okay.
Okay, like how
Hmm.
much time they should devote in a day, and what challenges you face, or what mistakes they should not do while preparing.
Mistakes. Never start preparing without knowing the syllabus.
Okay, great.
Syllabus is everything. Then one should, one should understand the demand of the question. So to understand the demand of the question, the demand of the paper, you have to understand. You should identify the important topics, and for that you can use the previous year question paper. So I think these two helps a lot. And even my friends who wrote this December 2024 exam with
Okay,
me, they didn't qualify because they never ever did uh, never ever did the previous year questions,
okay, yeah,
and they never had a syllabus. They don't know the
okay,
syllabus, and when I asked them, did you cover that unit of, did they have that unit in that? They
yeah,
used to like,
okay, okay,
they
okay.
don't know the syllabus. So, and I think that's the mistake the people do, and yeah, they should. And one more thing, many used to like devote a lot of time in reading
Yeah,
the bulky books, and I think you should, go through the syllabus and identify the concepts, and you have to do self study and self research. Yeah, that
because
helps.
you never know question कहाँ से आ रहा है. NTA is asking
Yeah,
question from everywhere. Okay,
everywhere.
if
Yeah.
you are
Hmm.
sticking to 2 to 3 books and thinking that you will clear exam, it won't happen. It won't happen.
No.
Seriously. Because
Yeah.
the way exam is coming, around 60 to 70% based on facts only. You never know
Yeah.
which
Hmm.
book is coming from what
Yeah.
line, what
Hmm.
statement is coming from what. So yeah, definitely you
Yeah.
have to go through different sources, and that's how
Hmm.
Borders and
Hmm.
Solution was made around that. So
Yeah,
yeah,
and make some handwritten notes.
yeah,
And people used to like very they take copies, and they like
yeah.
they use their highlighters and do highlighting, and for 6 months they do the highlighting.
Even I also ask the
No
students that
studying will be going on.
even I also ask students that if you are using website, make your own notes. So it is very
Notes,
easy
yeah.
to revise very fast because syllabus is so
That
fast.
idea
Yeah.
got from you only.
Okay, okay,
Like
okay.
you used to like
Yeah.
there was a message. Then only I started writing the notes,
Yeah. I
and
also say
that
yeah.
was
And even if you want to clear the concept of IR particularly, I will ask students to go through 11 and 12 NCRTs.
NCRTs.
Because
Ha
yeah,
ha.
you got timelines, the statements, and is asking questions from them. Okay, a lot.
Timelines, oh,
Yeah.
it's very tough.
Yeah. But yeah, it will only help you when you are revising continuous basis. If you're not
Yes.
revise, if you're
Hmm,
just
hmm.
thinking that completing the syllabus and you'll clear the exam, no. You have to revise it.
Ha.
You have to make your handmade notes, and you have to practice questions, PYQs and mocks.
Hmm. Yeah. Hmm,
And
hmm.
easily
Correct.
anyone can clear JRF in 6 months. I feel that
Yeah.
seriously, anyone
And
can.
I'm in June. I'm aiming for JRF.
I hope you'll.
So
I think
fingers
you.
crossed.
I hope you will clear it. You will clear it. You will clear it. For sure. For sure.
Yeah.
So like how
Hopefully.
how much time did you used to devote while
Hmm.
preparing for political science? UGC नेट के लिए आप कितना devote करते थे time per day?
uh, devote. I divide the time like
Okay.
2 months for paper one, 3 months for paper two.
Okay.
That's how I did.
Okay.
And I used to like revise it when I get bored of like studying paper two. I'll revise paper one. And
Okay.
I'm when I study paper one, then I'm getting bored. Then I revise the paper two. So it went like complementary.
So like in a
Like
day, if you talk about particular day, so how much time
day.
a
Okay.
person should devote?
Uh, I studied like 4 hours for
4 hours.
UGC. Yeah, 4 hours. Like my college, it will be like 3:30. It will
Okay.
be
Okay. Okay.
closing. Then I have this library access, so I go to library. I spend around
So you have completed your masters, or you are still pursuing it?
still doing.
Last semester, I guess, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
last
Okay. Okay.
semester.
Great. Great. Great.
Yeah.
That's very lovely. You have
So
cleared already. Good to go.
yeah.
Yeah, good to go. That's nice.
So
That's nice.
I go to this library and spend almost 3.5. hours
Okay, okay,
there.
okay. Great, great,
Yeah.
great, great, great. So, like, did you tell your parents about it? You cleared exam. How did they react on that particularly?
They don't have any idea about this exam.
Okay, tell me.
Basically, no.
Okay,
They
okay,
not that educated. Yeah,
okay.
they're educated, but they don't know about. They only know about this IAS exam.
Yeah, I guess
Yeah,
mostly brown people know about this particular exam, engineering, doctor, and UPSC, civil service. That's it.
yeah,
And
that's it.
but
And
I
yeah,
feel, yeah, but I feel that political science as a subject also have very variety of scope. Okay, they are political
uh,
consultants, research, which you can earn up to 1 lakh to 2 lakhs. You can earn. You just need to figure this
okay.
out. You just need to figure this out. I always ask students who are
Mhm.
pursuing PhD, even want to get into PhD or research. They can literally,
Okay.
after you clear your GRF, right? You can
Mhm.
take on two projects on a contract basis. It's government
Okay.
projects produced by ICSSR, Indian Council of Social
Okay.
Science and Research. They provide the
Okay.
opportunity to students, actually students.
Oh.
I also completed one project recently. So pay
Mm-hmm.
to 20,000, 37,000, even 42,000. Aside
Okay.
aside your JRF. So people do not know about these things. I always ask students to figure this out. Political consultant, internship. There are a lot of opportunities there.
Okay.
People just don't know.
Understand.
I guess
Mm.
we don't have your number. I guess I are you part of a WhatsApp channel where we post?
Yes.
You're there, right?
Yeah, I recently rejoined your page like
Okay,
for
okay, okay,
1 year. You
okay,
have
okay.
a 1 year package too, right? So I joined it
No, no,
recently.
no, 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 not that package. There's a WhatsApp channel we have where we upload
Okay.
about the opportunities.
Channel.
Where we upload about the
Okay.
opportunities, advertisement that there's an internship available. There's a position for political consultant available. There are the vacancies
Okay.
available for the assistant professor jobs. But people can apply that.
Okay.
Because people always look for these and don't get them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
While I
Haha.
was doing my, I guess, master, I was like, okay, what what would I do with this degree? Okay, you cannot go with that in corporate. And people think that you
Uh-huh.
cannot make good money. So I started exploring things on my own.
Okay.
And that's how I created everything little by little. So yeah, please do share your number. I would love to add you on that. Okay.
Of course, I'll share it. I'll
Yeah,
share it.
it will help you out a lot. Okay.
Okay.
So like if you have to give any advice to students who are already preparing for it. So any
Mhm.
advice or anything, any tips particularly, if you want to give to them.
Tips I would suggest, first you have to love the subject. So if you are, giving net for any particular subject,
Yeah.
I love the subject. I
Yeah.
love political
I
science.
same.
It when I study political science, I don't even feel like I'm studying. I'm like, it's like visiting new places.
Yeah.
When you visit new places, you'll be mesmerized. No, you'll be mesmerized. So I
And
get that.
everything is so interconnected in itself.
Yeah,
And
yes,
that's the
and
beauty. And that's
I love making interconnections with the concept. So it's like exploring. It's actually
yeah,
exploring. So first thing, love the subject, and the
yeah.
subject will love you back,
True,
and
true, true,
it
true.
will give you net or JRF.
Definitely. In fact, I
That
feel like
yeah.
JRF आपको आ जाएगा easily. People say that it is not easy. But cutoff is getting high.
Hmm.
I guess 175 cleared. Only 175 people cleared JRF
Yes.
this time.
Huh.
So
Yeah.
level is getting tough and tough. So people should have a balance of paper one, paper two. So
Yeah.
like,
Yeah.
how did you manage time during a paper during a while you were giving a paper particularly? Like yeah,
In the exam.
in the exam during exam.
In the, During the exam, I'm done with the exam like 30 minutes before.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Like it was basically very easy.
Okay,
It
great.
was the paper two was very easy. Apart from few questions regarding the timeline, it was quite very hard for me. I was just playing the Inky Pinky Pongy game, and I was
Okay.
just so for those questions that was my strategy, Inky
Okay.
Pinky Pongy game. Then
कुछ क्वेश्चंस आई गेस
so
सबके लिए टफ होते हैं कुछ क्वेश्चंस बट आई
yeah,
फील
yeah,
दैट इफ यू आर टारगेटिंग जेआरएफ आपको लिटिल एक्स्ट्रा करना पड़ेगा यू हैव टू कीप ऑन रिवाइजिंग है ना
huh,
ताकि वो टाइमलाइंस एंड दैट बुक्स वो आपको एलिमिनेट कर पाओ आप if they are asking four
okay,
books in the match the following at least you should know one because the
huh,
answer the options are very easy if you even know
yes,
one book
yes,
your answer is right
yeah.
so focus है
The
ना
the
yeah
the book questions, it was very easy. The conceptual level questions very
very easy
easy. Only the timeline part that
Even
questions were
even they're asking chronology a lot these days. Based, like I guess last time they asked around 5 to 6 chronologies only.
okay.
Yeah, yeah.
That's
So
very
these,
tough.
so like, what about paper
So,
one? Paper one, like people find DI very difficult these days.
hmm.
So how do you navigate that?
Paper one, I left the whole math questions. Not left. I
Hmm.
did the same strategy I did in paper to
Okay,
like
okay,
Pinky
okay,
Pinky Pop.
okay, 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 okay.
Uh, so yeah, there was few questions I know that you can use the logic. You can really use the logic and you can make it. You
Okay, okay,
know,
okay.
for that you can only do the previous year questions.
Great,
Make
great.
your
Even I agree.
concepts clear. Yeah, very, make your concepts really clear. There are some concepts that you have to know. So
Yeah.
from that concepts only
Yeah,
they will
I
be
feel that
as
if you are even able to go through na 10 years PIQs, you will be
uh,
sort out like what
yeah.
if what will come in exams, how you have
Hmm.
to approach the paper, because not that
Yeah. Hmm.
difficult. And if you are targeting the time management during a paper,
Hmm.
I always ask students
Hmm.
to complete your political science part first, or because people go with a
Okay.
fresh mind. If you're not able to
Oh.
if you're not able to solve first 5 questions of DI, it always affect your mindset, right? And it will reflect in the results of political science paper as well.
Okay.
So
Then.
always solve it.
I
Yeah.
started with paper one only.
No, no. I always ask students that always solve paper political science first, because you are very
Okay.
strong in that part, right? Always
Okay.
solve
Okay.
that.
Yeah.
Or second paper one, after completing your paper, after solve paper one, and leave the math part for the last. For the last,
Okay.
solve it जितना हो रहा है solve करो, and then revise everything, because people do make mistakes,
Hmm.
like they don't see correct, not correct. The book is
Yeah.
by the social contract book is by Rousseau. The concept is given by Hobbes. People make
Yeah.
these small mistakes, so you need to go through paper as well.
Yeah. Hmm.
So time management is very important during paper.
It.
And
Uh.
yeah, and
Yeah. I.
say the same.
Yeah. Please. Please.
No, no, please, please, please.
Yeah, for like I was left with 30 minutes, so I was constantly going through all the questions, and I also made some like the mistakes that you have just mentioned. Like I haven't see not
Yeah,
mentioned
yeah.
that I have made that mistake literally.
Okay, okay, okay,
When I
okay.
revised it, I made it correct.
Great, great,
So
great, 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 great. Because sometimes the people get stuck with DI only, and they spend
mhm.
around 20. I've heard people spending around 20 minutes just on DI and still not able to
Yeah.
clear
Oh,
that. Because earlier DI काफी easy आ रहा था, अब उन लोगों ने लेवल
okay.
काफी tricky कर दिया है. So
Oh,
many
oh.
people do it wrong only. It's
Hmm.
just to tackle the time, you have to make sure that you are doing everything right.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, it's important to revise it. That
Yes.
mistake I also made in my first attempt. Why when I gave a like for the UGC, I did not
Oh,
revise it. I completed my
okay. Okay.
I completed my paper in 1 hour, and I made the same
Uh-huh.
small mistakes. Correct, not correct. This hops the thing. Then I realized, okay,
Uh-huh.
these are very important things to keep in mind while you're solving the paper. So I changed my approach, and that actually helped me clearing the exam. Hello, hello, hello. Talk, talk, talk. Hello, am I audible?
Ah,
Sorry, sorry, sorry. There's some
hello, you got stuck. Yeah, yeah, you are.
there's some network issue. There's some network issue.
No
So
problem.
I changed my approach after that. So that actually helped me. That's why I
Okay.
tell everyone who subscribe to Political Solution that you should
Mm-hmm.
target in this way. Okay, because you
Mm-hmm.
have to have a proper idea and
Okay.
planning how you are targeting that exam. Because it's not difficult to clear it. You
Hmm.
can easily clear 6 months. Okay, not more than that.
Hmm.
4 5 hours a day is enough.
Yeah.
Is enough. Because I have heard people
Yep.
saying that they are
Hmm.
preparing for 3 4 years still not able to clear GRF. That they are like few mistakes. I don't know how they do it, but they are, I guess like they are very, yeah. Like revise,
Huh.
practice, make your own notes. This will give you results. That's it. Just completing a syllabus never will.
That's it. Yeah.
Never will. Never will.
Yeah.
Great, great, great. So as you completed your UGC net, right? So what is your next plans
Yeah.
after that?
I have to aim for JRF.
Okay. So I guess you also prepare
fair
for
enough.
like
Then
get into PhD, right?
PhD, yeah.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
have this plan right now. My teachers were like pressurizing me that you should also do your PhD along with UPSC. So
You can do PhD,
I'm a
but yeah.
bit confused about.
No, no. If
I'm a bit like,
you can do PhD because you get lot of time. You can get lot of time, and that it's
hmm,
the same part. It's the same part. Political science, polity. You should take
hmm,
some subject which can actually be helpful to you while your UPSC preparation at the same
yeah,
time in your
hmm.
research.
Okay,
Yeah, because
okay,
yeah.
uh-huh.
And if you are hoping to join any good institute like JNU and DU, you must focus on your research and the proposal and the methodology. Okay. And we're always there to guide people. We always there to guide.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay, okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Actually, like the voice are like little bit broken.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
it's
okay.
no, it's okay.
Okay. Okay, I was saying that like you have to focus more on research and the methodology if you're targeting institutes like JNU and DU
Okay,
particularly because they are very
you.
hard to get and the seats are very
Mm-hmm.
limited. So we're always there to help students.
Yeah,
Don't worry about that. Whenever you find any
I need
problem,
your guidance in that too.
whenever you find any problem, just put it down on any Telegram group. Okay, we're always there because people do not because people hello. Oh, network issue. I'm facing. We need to wrap it. I guess
Hmm.
there's some network issue going on
Hello.
very bad. I'm at my library right now. I guess there's some
Okay.
network issue which is
Oh,
going very bad right now. I'm really sorry for that. I'm really sorry for the
but it's
inconvenience.
okay right now. It's okay right now.
It's fine, it's fine. Great, great,
No,
great,
no.
great. I really think you'll do great in life. Yeah, whatever you do, okay. Just keep on trying better,
I
practice,
hope so.
listen. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And we're always there, okay. As a part of your part of a community now, okay, for political science.
Thank you.
Again, I am thinking there's a network issue going on. I guess we should wrap it up here. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
It's really lovely talking to you. It's really lovely talking to you. I hope that these insights will actually
It's
help people. Any last
yeah.
word or last advice
I
you would
hope
love to
so.
give? Any last word, any last advice you would love to give?
Um, Work hard,
Work hard. That's it.
and it's not over until you win.
Yeah,
So
definitely,
yeah,
definitely, definitely.
try it.
Yeah. Just keep on trying, keep on putting efforts. Things would good. Things
Yeah,
will be good in the end. It is my
like
personal.
yeah,
It is my
it will
personal.
fall in place one.
Yeah.
Everything will fall in place
Yeah,
one
because
day.
I have cleared exams. Like I was hoping to for UPSC, but I didn't go for that. So I have cleared like UGC NET
Oh,
JRF, then UPSC CDS, then FCAT, and then now Forgan solution.
oh.
It is like whole process, and it is actually like ending into a good thing. And I'm hoping to move
Yeah,
forward with that. So it's always a you'll your knowledge, your understanding of things will never go into void. It will always help you to
yeah,
build character, build your future and opportunities. That's it.
mm,
That's what my
yeah.
understanding of life right now. Yeah. So thank you so
And please keep doing
sure,
this
sure.
job, and you you're a game changer.
Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much.
Really, really, and I'm so that I came across with your page. That
I'm
was the
glad. I'm
best
glad.
thing happened. That's the best thing happened during this preparation.
Glad, yeah,
Thank you.
glad. Thank you so much for trusting in us, first of all, okay? Because if you guys are not trusting in us, we won't be able to contribute to it properly. Because to build a
Uh,
trust is very important. To create a community,
yeah.
yeah, that helps students.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, yeah,
Yeah.
for giving your time
Thank
and
you.
all
Thank
the
you
best
for.
and all the best for all your future endeavors. That's it.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You too.
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much.
Same to you.
Bye.
Bye.